Welcome to our biology lessons مع دكتور هناء. Our lesson today is about carbon cycle. Carbon is a chemical element. Its symbol is C. We have two main forms of pure natural carbon اللي هم diamond and graphite. Please نركز مع بعض إن lead that found in the pencil it is not a lead. أمال هو عبارة عن إيه؟ It's a graphite. يبقى احنا دايما بنقول it's a pencil هو ايه قلم رصاص. لا هو it is not a lead. it is made up of graphite. Carbon also it is found in a compound form. The first compound form found in the air in the form of carbon dioxide gas. One carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. We have also different compound forms contain carbon atoms. The first one which is carbohydrate. طب والcarbohydrate دي may be glucose and may be starch. طب chemical compound تاني which is proteins. And also we have fats also that enter the structure of DNA. But we have the carbon atoms in different forms. ممكن ألاقيها في air as the carbon dioxide. ممكن ألاقيها in different compounds as in carbohydrates, protein, fats, and DNA. Different processes in the carbon cycle. We have photosynthesis, feeding, respiration, decomposition, fossil fuel formation, and the last with the combustion. أهم point لازم نعرفها في الكربون cycle إن إحنا we follow the carbon atom from area to another. The first process we have at the photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide as it contains carbon atom that is taken by the plants from the air and combine it with the water in the presence of sunlight to produce glucose and oxygen. يبقى أول process the movement of carbon that is taken by the plant in the form of carbon dioxide يبتدي يحصل لها chemical reaction inside the plant to produce glucose and oxygen. Second process is feeding. When animals feed on the plants or other animals, the carbon compounds that found in the plants reach to the body of animals. طب لو في animals eat another animal يبقى carbon atoms that found in this animal that reaches to the other one. Respiration. Respiration takes place in all the body cells of living organisms as glucose molecules are broken down in the presence of oxygen gas to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy is released. معنى كده إن carbon dioxide return back to the atmosphere to be used again in photosynthesis. يبقى عندي word equation of respiration you have to study it well. Glucose react with oxygen or glucose broken down in the presence of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide that return back to the atmosphere and water. Decomposition. Decomposers feed on the dead bodies and animal wastes, so the carbon compounds reach to their body of decomposers. ليه؟ لأن carbon compounds that found in the dead bodies with animal waste now reaches to the body of decomposers. Fossil fuel formation. When organisms die and buried underground, they aren't broken down quickly by decomposers. Sometimes their bodies fall in places deeply inside in ocean, for example. So the decomposers cannot able to respire well. طب ليه؟ لأن الأكسجين in high depth is not enough. And by the effect of high temperature and high pressure, all of these remains that changed into fossil fuel. طب الفossil fuel ده عبارة عن إيه؟ عبارة عن coal, petroleum oil, and natural gas. This process takes a long period of time. Combustion. Also we have another name which is the burning. طب the burning of إيه؟ The burning of fossil fuel. طب مين كان فاكر الفossil fuel ده عبارة عن إيه؟ Coal, natural gas, and petroleum oil. That are formed from the body of plants and animals after death in factories and in transportation system produce huge amount of carbon dioxide gas in the air. يبقى احنا هنا بالcombustion also we return back carbon dioxide into the air. Question time. تعالوا بقى نشوف مين اللي كان مركز معانا طول السيشن وهيعرف يحل الكويستشن اللي جاي. State the name of the following processes in the following carbon cycle. أهم حاجة في الكويستشن ده you have to concentrate about the direction of arrow and we are following the carbon atom from 2. Okay, يبقى خلي بالكم احنا بنركز على ال direction of the arrow as it refers to the direction of movement of carbon atom from one place to another. So in front of you P, R, D, F, C, and T. Don't forget to answer the question in a comment to check it if it is right or wrong. وما ننساش نعمل لايك وشير وسبسكرايب عشان يجيلكوا كل السيشنز اللي جاية إن شاء الله. Thank you for watching and goodbye.